Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to schedule a call on Microsoft Teams. On your Teams page, all the groups or teams you belong to are displayed here. Scheduling a recurrent class is similar to scheduling a meeting, just like in the past video tutorial. Choose the class you want to schedule and open it. In the call options on the top right corner, you have two options. You can either start an instant meeting or schedule it for later. When you click on Meet Now, Teams immediately starts the call. If you choose Schedule Meeting instead, a new window will open where you can set all the meeting details. Start by giving your meeting a title, for example, Math Class, Session 1. Next, the required attendees field. Because you're scheduling the meeting directly from the Teams itself, you don't need to add attendees. Everyone in that class team will receive the invitation automatically. Next, you need to select the date and time of your class meeting. Under the Date and Time section, choose when you want the first class session to begin. You can adjust both the start and end times using the drop-down menus or the calendar picker. If the exact time you want doesn't appear in the list, you can type it manually. To make your session recur every week, click on the drop-down menu that says Does Not Repeat. You will see many options. Does Not Repeat means the meeting will happen only once. If your session is a one-time meeting, simply keep the option as it is. Every weekday means the meeting will repeat from Monday to Friday at the same time. Daily will schedule the meeting every day at the same time. You can set your recurrence to weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on how often your class takes place. Let's choose weekly repeats, so the class will automatically occur every week on the same day and time. Next, choose the day or days of the week when your class will take place. For example, you can select Monday and Thursday. Now let's set an end date for your recurring class. This tells Teams when the repeated sessions should stop. For example, choose the last Thursday of June as the end date. As you can see, Teams now displays that your meeting will take place every Monday and Thursday until the end of June. Click on Save. Before sending the meeting, you'll notice a section called Response Options at the bottom of the scheduling window. The Request Responses option let attendees accept or decline the meeting. Allow Forwarding let participants forward your meeting invite to others. Before sending, check who can bypass the lobby. You can choose whether everyone joins directly, or only people in your organization and guests. For class meetings, it's best to select people in my organization so only your students enter automatically while others wait in the lobby. Once everything is set, click Send to schedule your meeting and notify all participants. To confirm that your meeting has been scheduled, open the Calendar tab in Teams. You'll see it listed on the date and time you selected. Navigate to the week and date you selected, and you'll see your class meetings displayed on your calendar. If you want to make any changes, simply click on the meeting in your calendar and choose Edit. If you want to edit only one session, choose this event. If you want to make changes to all sessions, click All Events in the series. For example, you can edit the title of the event. Just click inside the title box and delete Session 1. When you finish editing, click Send Update. The changes will appear immediately on your calendar. If you want to delete an event or the entire series, do it the same way, by clicking on the meeting and choosing Cancel. You can choose to cancel just one meeting or the entire series of recurring meetings. If you select all events in the series and click Cancel Meeting, Teams will delete all the recurring sessions from your calendar after selecting Cancel Series. For more video tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.